Executing large-scale projects efficiently is no small task. Whether it's setting up workstations, installing equipment, or auditing large facilities, every step must be precise to avoid rework and wasted resources. Traditional implementation relies on paper checklists and manual tracking, leading to errors, delays, and overlooked details. ViXR Engage's AI-enabled implementation module transforms the entire process. Our smart navigation guides auditors with optimized routes and precise coordinates, ensuring efficient movement across sites. ViXR's AI validates checklists in real time, automatically cross-referencing completed tasks against predefined standards. With real-time discrepancy detection, the AI engine compares installed products to project plans, flagging any mismatches instantly. And for compliance, AI-driven evidence verification analyzes uploaded photos, ensuring proper placement and adherence to project requirements. Say goodbye to delays and inefficiencies. Let ViXR handle the complexity so you can focus on results. ViXR Engage, flawless execution with AI-powered precision.